Last time we sorted the columns into 4 families. Now we put the data under a microscope, not to admire it, but to find what is broken. This is exploratory analysis as a quality inspection. First question, who actually churns? A raw 26% average hides the real story, so we slice it, group by contract type, and the picture is dramatic. The answer is hiding inside the segments. Look, month-to-month customers churn around 43%, but 1-year contracts only about 11%, and 2-year contracts almost never leave. The contract length is one of the loudest signals in the whole table. Second question, where are the holes? We scan every column for missing values. 20 of the 21 are perfectly full, but total charges has exactly 11 blanks. Those are the brand new customers with 0 months of tenure, and we will deal with them in episode 6. Third question, which columns are secretly useless? We count distinct values per column, its cardinality. Most columns have just 2 or 3, but customer ID has 7043 distinct values, one per row. That is a perfect identifier and a useless predictor. We flag it now to drop later. Let us run the full inspection in one file. We will compute churn rate by contract, scan for missing values, and measure cardinality for every column. 3 quality checks, 1 figure. First, we load the table and fix total charges to numeric, so the missingness scan can actually see the 11 blanks. Then we group churn by contract type and print the rate for each, surfacing the strongest segment signal. Next, we scan for missing values across all columns and print only the ones with holes, just total charges with 11. We measure cardinality, distinct values per column, and print the highest, exposing customer ID as a pure identifier. Finally, we plot churn rate by contract as blue bars, annotate the 11 missing values, and save the quality summary. We have found the breakage, 11 blanks, 1 useless ID column, and a target driven hard by contract length. Next episode, we fix the first concrete bug, the column that is text pretending to be numbers. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.